Hi everyone, welcome to Super Kalam. I am your teacher and mentor Arpita Sharma. This video is going to be important because I was going through the last few years PYQs of UPSC and I also went through some of the papers of CDS and CAPF exam. And to my surprise, I was shocked to see the relatability of questions in the CAPF and CDS exam with the CSE prelims examination. Don't worry, I'll show you with proof. घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं proof भी दिखाऊंगी. But this session is going to be really important for you. Through this session, we'll understand the multiple sources that we refer to na, for UPSC prelims preparation. Where are these sources coming from? So this class is going to be important. I hope that you have maintained a separate journal for these classes as I have always requested you to maintain. If you haven't joined the Telegram community yet, you should join it. In the description box the link is given. I am not joking, you go there yourself. It's a free community where I am making notes for all of you, studying each and every aspect of PYQs, important sources, interlinking them and sharing them on Telegram so that your preparation becomes smooth. Okay, so let's start this class, everyone. Students, this is going to be a very important hack in your revision when it comes to preparing for prelims examination. I understand there are so many books that you have purchased. I understand there are so many class notes that you have. बट ये जो हैक है ना, अगर आप इसको फॉलो कर लोगे तो आपके लिए जर्नी और सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगी. एंड आई एम हियर टू सिंप्लीफाई योर जर्नी विद सुपर कलाम, राइट? First, I'll show you some of the important questions that I have noticed personally when I went through the previous year questions in CDS and CAPF question paper. तो मैं आपको ना CAPF का question paper सबसे पहले दिखाती हूँ. Have a look at this particular slide. Okay, इस screen को देखना. Here is how a structured CAPF question paper looks like. It's a combination of maths based questions also and GS based questions. We are picking up the GS based questions. Look at this question. Very carefully look at this question. Which of the following statements about national emergency is or are correct? National emergency, there is a chapter on emergency in your M. Lakshmikant book. आप सभी के पास 7th edition है book का, right? In this you have this chapter, national emergency, and we have questions from emergency and citizenship in your prelims examination, in your prelims examination also. तो हमने देखा है कि CSE में भी क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं emergency के ऊपर. ठीक है? Now have a look at the next important slide that I'm going to show you. Which one of the following statements with regard to impeachment of a judge of Supreme Court of India is not correct? See the pattern. First I showed you, सबसे पहले मैंने आपको क्या दिखाया? First I showed you the type of question जो हम regularly which we come across in our prelims examination also. Second I showed you the pattern of question. ये जो ट्रिक पार्ट हो जाता है where we skip reading not correct नहीं पढ़ते हैं and then the entire question gets incorrect, right? So pattern भी सेम लग रहा है हमको. यहाँ देखो, which of the following are the objectives of SARC, current affair based question? Again, this is the kind of option pattern which we have studied earlier also in a few days back. Then यहाँ पर आप देखोगे which of the following are India's G20 priorities? Again current affair based question. Options देखो, option का pattern देखो, it is similar to what is asked in our prelims CSE prelims examination, right? So recently I also prepared a very important class. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे I'll show you that class. Options के ऊपर मैंने class बनाई थी. And in this particular class also I made all of you understand the importance of options. मैंने options की importance आपको बताई थी इस class के अंदर भी. Same thing we can see in our CAPF question paper as well, है ना? Plus same kind of statements based options have been framed. Now why am I showing you all these kind of questions? मैं क्यों बता रही हूँ? So that you can understand the comparison between CSE paper and your CAPF paper. Now let's go to the next important aspect. ठीक है, मैं इसको हटाती हूँ. पहला हमने aspect देख लिया that the type of questions which are being asked, it is same. Very surprisingly it is same. The pattern of question and option formation, it is also kind of same. राइट, दो चीज़ों में सिमिलैरिटी दिख रही है. Now, the third important aspect, let us have a look at subject wise questions. For example, the first aspect that we saw was emergency based question. हमने देखा था emergency के ऊपर एक question था in the CAPF paper, and we all know that similar question was asked in 2023 prelims also, जो 2023 के हमने question paper में देखा है, right? Articles, president, vice president, fundamental rights, all of these concepts based questions are kind of same in CAPF question paper also, in CSE prelims also. That means you have to revise M Lakshmikant book very sincerely, plus you have to practice CAPF या CDS का question paper plus CSE का PYQ. ये आपका source रहना चाहिए. This is what we are basically deducing. नाउ लेट्स गो बैक टू CAPF क्वेश्चन पेपर. वापस जाते हैं इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर देखो, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑन लार्जेस्ट स्तूपा एट सांची विच अगेन हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन CSE प्रीलिम्स. CSE प्रीलिम्स में भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. दिस इज अ CAPF क्वेश्चन पेपर दैट आई एम शोइंग यू. So basically through CAPF question paper, if you are practicing the PYQs at least last 4 years, you will be in a position to revise the intricate aspects, the basic conceptual aspects of your subjects. जैसे आप in the CSE prelims paper, you will see that questions are more tricky also. But if you understand, you have the conceptual hold on the foundation of the topics, then those tricky questions can also be solved. For example, if you look at the options, options are very direct. बहुत direct options है. By preparing this question itself, सांची स्तूपा के बारे में majority aspect you will be in a position to prepare. Then any question which is asked on Sanchi Stupa, you will be in a position to answer. Next important aspect I'll show you. यहाँ पर देखो ध्यान से. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? अब आप यहाँ पर देखोगे, here again art and culture, ancient history and medieval history, everything nicely covered in CAPF question paper. यहाँ पर आप देखो, which of the following statement is correct? Again, the options are statement based in CAPF paper, which will help you in making your own revisionary notes also. क्योंकि स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड ऑप्शन है तो आपके रिविजनरी नोट्स बनाने में आपको इजी रहेगा, आसानी रहती है, राइट. बिकॉज ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक लाइक ब्रह्मी इंस्क्रिप्शन यू आर स्टडिंग स्टेटमेंट वाइज कॉन्सेप्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑप्शंस आर गिवन यू आर एबल टू प्रिपेयर माइंड मैप ऑन इट. जब आप इसको मार्क करोगे तो आप माइंड मैप बना सकते हो इसके अंदर, राइट. एक और एस्पेक्ट मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, बहुत ही कॉमन एस्पेक्ट विच आई नोटिस्ड. लुक ओवर हियर, यहाँ पर देखना है आपको. नाउ हियर इफ यू सी क्वेश्चंस ऑन नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन, क्वेश्चन ऑन, यहां पर ऊपर जाएंगे आप, आई विल शो यू. यस, यहां पर देखो क्वेश्चन ऑन क्वाड इज गिवन. अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट इंट्रिकेट डिटेल दैट आई नोटिस्ड वाज क्वेश्चंस ऑन इंडियन इकोनॉमी. यहां पर आप देखोगे when you look at these questions, जब आप इन questions को देखते हो, whether it is on geography, whether it is from Indian economy, you will notice a pattern that is getting formed. एक pattern यहाँ पर बन रहा है. Even in modern history, if you see, the book based questions have been asked a lot. काफी books based question पूछे जा रहे हैं, author based questions पूछे जा रहे हैं. These patterns will help you understand how CSE prelims and the questions which are asked in CAPF are kind of same. And with that, it will be very easy for you to prepare. आपके लिए बहुत easy होगा prepare करना. Another important aspect, एक और aspect मैं आपको यहाँ पर लिखवाती हूँ, आप लिखते जाओ. These details that we are noticing, you have to write it down. We understood polity, geography, economy based questions, how they are getting asked. Another important point is that if you look at CAPF का question paper, you will understand one thing. It is a proof that real questions, आपके real current affair based, static based questions कैसे prepare होते हैं, वो आप CAPF के question paper से भी पहले से जान सकते हो, अंदाजा लगा सकते हो. If you revise the CAPF papers before prelims to understand these patterns, you will be much more confident in the actual examination. Now, how to smartly utilize this? अपने प्रिपरेशन में इसको स्मार्टली कैसे यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, तो उसके लिए स्टेप नंबर 1, आई बी शोइंग यू डिफरेंट स्टेप्स. स्टेप नंबर 1, व्हाट इज स्टेप नंबर 1? PYQ comparison method. What you have to do is you have to keep UPSC prelims PYQs and the CAPF PYQs side by side. Then you have to mark the common themes, the common themes in your notebook. In your notebook, for example, I have compared today 2023's prelims pyq and capf pyq, and the common theme that we noticed was emergency, quad, G20, sarc, etc. Right? Now step number 2. What will be step number 2? तो step number 2 हमारा रहेगा reverse engineering, reverse engineering approach. This will be the next step. Reverse engineering approach. Now here, instead of solving CAPF paper directly, you have to think how UPSC could twist these questions. Could twist these questions. For example, if in CAPF question paper you find a question on inflation, okay? So if in CAPF paper they are directly giving you statements on inflation, direct question आज पूछ रहे हैं, what they can do in your CSE prelims examination, they can ask how inflation can impact or affect. If what is inflation is being asked, then what can be the impact of inflation will be asked in the CSE paper. आपको इस तरीके से सोचना, बिकॉज यूपीएससी व्हाट इट विल डू, इट विल ट्विस्ट द क्वेश्चंस. कॉन्सेप्ट सेम रहेगा, कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी सेम, only the type, the framing of the question will be different. So if what is asked, then how or impact can be asked in CSE prelims. ओके, तो रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग लगानी है आपको. देन स्टेप नंबर 3 पर आ जाते हैं. लेट्स गो टू स्टेप नंबर 3. इन स्टेप नंबर 3 अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. स्टेप नंबर 3 में आप क्या कर सकते हो? यू हैव टू पिक 10 CAPF questions daily and check if they have been asked in your CSE prelims also, yes or no. You can pick out 2023 and 22 CAPF question paper and match it with your CSE prelims. 10 question उठा लो. You can pick the theme, 10 question from polity, few questions from geography, etc. Subject you can pick. And another important point is that you have to understand that while solving PYQs you are making mind maps on the topic. जब आप PYQ सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो उस टॉपिक पे माइंड मैप भी बनाते जाओ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ लेट्स से हम इसमें से कोई PYQ उठाते हैं. yes, we are picking up PYQ on quad. So when you are solving this question, make a mind map on quad also, so that if this same question or a twisted question is asked in CSE, you have all the important aspects or notes already made. मान लो, let's say in 2023 there was no question asked on quad in CSE prelims, but it was asked in CAPF. You make notes. You never know, in 2025 a question can be asked. राइट. नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन, स्टैटिक टॉपिक, इसका भी एक क्या कर सकते हो आप, माइंड मैप बना सकते हो. These mind maps will simplify your note making ability also. That is the beauty of solving CAPF paper. It is going to give you a direct hint into how UPSC thinks. तो इसीलिए I wanted to make this session for all of you so that you understand the relevance of practicing CAPF. You get a wide variety of questions. अब देखो यहाँ पर बजट was in news and see direct question has been asked in CAPF question paper. Again बजट 2022-23 से direct question पूछा गया है CAPF 2023 के question paper में. How questions are asked, you get an idea through CAPF paper itself. प्लस इतने कॉमन कॉन्सेप्ट्स के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस बनाते हैं कि आपका माइंड मैप्स, आपके नोट्स पहले से प्रिपेयर होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. प्लस आपको एकदम बर्डनसम नहीं लगेगा. यू विल नॉट फाइंड studying these concepts burdensome because you will be studying each and every option also, right? This is how you need to move forward, and this is why CAPF paper is becoming very relevant, because type of questions that are getting asked now, they are काफी relevant, they are काफी interconnected with each other. I hope you will utilize this class. Now after this class on Telegram community, I'll be giving you some of the PYQs from CAPF with tricks to solve them. Make sure you are active on Telegram. Make sure you join our Telegram community.